So what's up guys, today we've got some nice beef here. We got it from the butcher shop and it's for beef tartare. And we are gonna make some nice bibimbap with this, as well as Korean tartare. Why don't we get started with this raw beef? It's very simple to make. It doesn't really take much time, so beautiful piece of meat. And let's get started with our beef tartare and bibimbap. Scallions ready. Now it's time for some peppers. Lettuce. Okay, so we're gonna cut into this beautiful eye of round beef, and we're gonna slice it, and then maybe cut the slices again so the texture is right for bibimbap and tartare. For beef bibimbap, beef tartare bibimbap, we're gonna use some gochujang, as well as we've got nice scallions, some pepper and lettuce, some nori we just cut up a few moments ago. Time for rice. Sesame oil. Then start mixing it. And last but not least, we've got our fried egg. It's time for beef tartare. We're gonna put some scallions, as you can see, some scallions and some chili peppers, as well as nori here, sea laver, and soy sauce, sesame oil with some touch of sugar. Time for plating.